Cooking delicious meals is easier when your tools work as hard as you do. The best non-stick cookware lets you prepare food with less oil, effortless cleanup, and even heat distribution, making every dish a success. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. CAROTE Pots and Pans Non-Stick Cookware Set. The CAROTE Pots and Pans Non-Stick Cookware Set is a well-rounded choice for home cooks who prioritize both durability and performance in their kitchen. Built from reinforced die-cast aluminum, the construction provides long-term sturdiness without making the cookware too heavy to handle, ensuring a comfortable cooking experience. The standout feature here is its harder granite-based non-stick coating, which boasts 10x ultra non-stick performance. This material not only prevents food from sticking, but also ensures a healthier way of cooking, since you can use less oil while still enjoying flawless results. Cleaning is effortless, as the pans can be quickly wiped with a paper towel or rinsed under running water. Although it is recommended to hand wash the set, the process is fast and convenient, saving time and effort in daily use. Designed with an extended bottom, the cookware heats up rapidly and distributes heat evenly, making it ideal for a wide range of recipes on different cooktops, including induction. This design prevents hot spots, ensuring consistent cooking outcomes. The set's overall appeal lies in its ability to combine everyday practicality with premium durability. Whether you are sautéing vegetables, simmering soups, or frying fish, this cookware set delivers on all fronts. It is especially suited for health-conscious households that want a reliable non-stick solution without sacrificing ease of cleaning or heat efficiency. Number 2. CAROTE Non-Stick Pots and Pans. The CAROTE Non-Stick Pots and Pans set offers a blend of modern functionality and durability, making it an excellent choice for everyday kitchen use. One of its key highlights is the titanium non-stick coating, which not only improves food release, but also enhances resistance against stains and odors. This feature ensures that your cookware stays fresh and easy to maintain, even after repeated use. Crafted from reinforced die-cast aluminum, the set is built for durability while remaining lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for a variety of cooking needs. Heat distribution is another area where this set shines, as it eliminates hot spots and guarantees consistent cooking results across all your dishes. Whether you're simmering sauces, boiling pasta, or preparing hearty stews, you'll notice the difference in how evenly food cooks. The addition of high-quality silicone lids is a thoughtful touch, as they provide an airtight seal to lock in flavors and retain heat, ensuring meals remain warm and delicious. Cleaning the set is also a hassle-free task, since the smooth non-stick surface allows for quick wiping or rinsing after use. While hand washing is recommended, you'll find that it requires minimal effort compared to traditional cookware. It's an ideal choice for families or individuals seeking a balance of style, durability, and cooking efficiency in their kitchen. Overall, the CAROTE Non-Stick Pots and Pans set is reliable, versatile, and designed to make cooking both simpler and more enjoyable. Number 3. CAROTE Induction Non-Stick Cookware Set. The CAROTE Induction Non-Stick Cookware Set is a versatile and space-saving option that blends convenience with high-level performance. Designed with detachable handles, this set allows for easy stacking and optimal storage, freeing up as much as 70% more space in your kitchen cabinets. This feature makes it an excellent choice for smaller kitchens or anyone seeking to reduce clutter. The detachable handles aren't just about storage. They're built to handle weight securely, enabling you to move seamlessly from stovetop to oven, grill, fridge, or even directly to the dining table. The adaptability of this cookware is impressive, giving you the freedom to cook, store, and serve all in one system. Beyond convenience, the cookware excels in performance. The spray-coated bottom resists black residue buildup, ensuring a clean cooking experience. And the superior non-stick surface allows for healthier, low-oil cooking while making cleanup almost effortless. These pots and pans are dishwasher safe, further simplifying maintenance. With rapid and even heat transfer, the set ensures precise and consistent cooking results, regardless of whether you're preparing a quick stir-fry or slow cooking a family meal. The compatibility with all cooktops, including Induction, adds to its practicality and versatility, as with other CAROTE products. For those who value efficiency, space-saving design, and adaptability, this cookware set delivers outstanding benefits.
Number 4. SENSARTE Ceramic Cookware Set. The SENSARTE Ceramic Cookware Set offers a healthier and eco-friendly alternative to traditional non-stick options. Featuring a ceramic non-stick surface that is completely free of PFOA, PTFE, PFS, PFOs, lead, cadmium, and other harmful substances, this set ensures safe cooking without toxic chemicals leaching into your food. The natural ceramic coating provides excellent scratch resistance and superior food release, allowing you to prepare meals with little to no oil, making it ideal for those focused on maintaining a healthy, low-fat diet. The set includes 14 pieces, covering a wide variety of cooking needs. 2 frying pans, 8 and 9.5 inches, a 12-inch sauté pan with lid, a 6.5-quart casserole with lid, a 2-quart saucepan with lid, along with multi-purpose utensils and pot protectors. This comprehensive set ensures you're equipped for everything, from searing and sautéing to simmering and slow cooking. Built with die-cast aluminum, the cookware heats quickly and evenly, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent results. Its 4.8mm thick stainless steel bottom makes it compatible with all stovetops, including Induction, while also providing durability that resists warping.
Number 5. CAROTE Kitchen Cookware Set. The CAROTE Kitchen Cookware Set is a practical and space-efficient option designed for modern kitchens. Its standout feature is the detachable handle system, which allows pots and pans to be stacked neatly, saving up to 70% more storage space. This design keeps cabinets clutter-free and maximizes organization in even the smallest kitchens. The removable handle also adds versatility, enabling you to transfer cookware from stovetop to oven, grill, fridge, and even directly to the dining table with ease. The upgraded handle provides a secure and stable grip, ensuring safety during cooking. This set is designed to simplify cleaning as well, thanks to its highly effective non-stick surface that requires virtually no scrubbing. Simply wipe or rinse and you're done. It also functions as both cookware and dinnerware, meaning you can cook and serve in the same vessel, reducing the number of dishes to clean. Beyond convenience, the cookware offers rapid and even heat transfer, ensuring consistent cooking results across a variety of recipes. Whether you're preparing quick weekday meals or more elaborate dishes, the non-stick surface guarantees that food releases easily and less oil is required for healthier cooking. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.